Hi, I'm Karen Harrison with the Young Living Dream Builders. Today, I want to talk with you about the Savvy Minerals makeup, tips and tricks for makeup application. So I'm going to share my screen and share a presentation that I got at the Young Living Beauty School in Dallas. And oops, I've got to move this bar around a little bit. I can get to present mode. Okay, there we go. All right, savvy tips and tricks. Let me move the bar a little bit. Okay, the first thing to do is to prepare the canvas. That means your skin. Wash your face using the Foaming Art Gentle Cleanser, the Orange Blossom Facial Wash, and you can also use the Satin Mint Scrub to exfoliate. Then tone, followed by the wonderful Art Renewal Serum that has orchid petals in it. To have a heavier canvas prep, you can put Sheer Lame on your skin. You can mix it with some of your foundation. It works well to go one shade darker than your normal foundation and apply that as a tinted moisturizer before your main foundation layer. We have some new products that just came out. We have the Hydrating Primer. You can put that on before you put on the mineral makeup, and it will help to minimize the appearance of fine lines and keep the makeup in place and minimize the appearance of imperfections. If you have oilier skin, then you might want to try the Mattifying Primer. It reduces and controls the shine and oil and also blurs and smooths fine line. Here is my favorite non-face product. It's the Seedlings Baby Wipes. You can use it to take off your makeup. You can use it to get your smaller brushes damp. You can use it to wipe up excess minerals. So here's some tips for choosing the right foundation color. If you have olive undertones and you tan, then you're probably warm. If you have pink undertones and you burn, then you're probably cool. And if you have neutral undertones and you're darker, then you probably want a dark foundation color. Here's something else that I heard. The warm colors usually have greenish looking veins. If you look at your forearm, if your veins look a little bit more greenish, then you're likely warm. If they look a little more bluish, you're likely cool. The Savvy Minerals colors are very forgiving, and you can easily blend the colors. Here is a color chart that will give you an idea, and then I found another one that I liked even better. I think this gives a more accurate idea of the colors. I am a warm 2. And at beauty school, they said that 75% of people are warm 2. So if you're not sure what to get and you think that might be close, that would be a safe place to start. It is important to have the right brush with your loose mineral makeup and the misting spray. The misting spray, you'll use that to get your brushes moist and damp and cover it well. Then you're going to shake out some of the foundation into the lid of the jar and then swirl your brush in it and then begin swirling it around your face. We also have the Kabuki brush, which gives medium to full coverage. A wonderful quality brush. Here's some tips for concealer and contour. You can use the concealer brush or an eyeshadow brush to apply. Wet your brush with a baby wipe and you can use a shade lighter or your current shade than the foundation. You can, for contour, you can try Cool One or Best Kept Secret or Diamond Dust. And then for contour, you can use bronzer or dark 1, 2, or 3. That Summer Loved, I currently have that on as blush. I just like to use bronzers as blush, particularly with a brighter close like this. Where to apply highlighter and contour. The highlighter you'll see on the right side of the screen over here. You're going to want to apply it to the center of the forehead, the tops of the cheeks, and under the eyebrows to lift and brighten your eyes. The contrast is over here. You're going to want to put it around your forehead, the hollows under your cheeks, the sides of your nose, which will make your nose look thinner, and under your chin. Blush. Young Living has a lot of different colors of blush. These are just a few to give you an idea. The Smashing, I Do Believe You're Blushing, and Passionate. Here's some of the new colors. Awestruck, Captivate, Serene, and I'm sorry that the picture isn't really close or clear, and Charisma. I have the I Do Believe You're Blushing, and I love it. Okay, going to the next screen. Bronzer, Crowned All Over and Summer Loved. I have both of those. The Summer Loved is a little darker. And again, I use them for blush. You can also use the darker foundation colors as matte bronzers. And even though the Crowned All Over and the Summer Love looks like it has a little bit of shimmer on my face, you know, I don't really see the shimmer. Okay, eyeshadow. We have foiling, which is placing a damp brush into the powder, and that intensifies the pigment and increases the staying power of it. You can use misting spray or a baby wipe to wet the brush. The left side on her arm is dry, and the right side is foiled. And you can mix to create new colors. Oh, that looks like fun. Young Living has come out with a lot of new eyeshadows. Look at all these colors. Aren't they beautiful? So these are all our loose powder eyeshadows. And for those that want a pressed powder, we have all of these beautiful colors that come in a whole palette that make it very easy to use. Here's some tricks for your eyes. You can open up the eyes with Wanderlust on the bottom right eye. And for under eye concealer, you can use the same foundation color. It says use Diamond Dust like fiber lashes to elongate and thicken lashes. Well, now we have the newly reformulated Young Living mascara, and I am loving it. I have it on today. My eyes love it. We'll talk about that in a minute. When you're using the loose powder eyeshadow, you're going to want to prime the lid, lavender lip balm or the rose ointment, or you can put some Best Kept Secret on it. For most eye shapes, it's going to look best to put the lighter color on the lid and then the darker color in the crease, and swirl that on out to the outer edge of the eye. Eyeliner. We have more colors now. We have the Jet Setter, which is black, and the Multitasker, which is dark brown. I have the Multitasker in the dark brown on my eyebrows. It was a little bit dark for me, so I simply mixed in some foundation color and then put it on, and I love it. It really helps to fill in the eyebrows, because otherwise you wouldn't be seeing my eyebrows much at all. You can also use it as eyeliner. You can apply it wet for a more precise line and dry for a smudged, smoky look. Here's our new additional colors. We have a tan and a light and a medium. So I put the eyeliner on. I've got tan here for the eyeliner, and I just got a brush damp and swirled it into the tan and applied it. Simple. Okay, what's wrong with Jimmy? Is there something missing in this photo? It's the eyebrows. Look at this picture, before eyebrows and after eyebrows. The eyebrows frame the eyes. Here's another one, before eyebrows and after eyebrows. It makes such a difference. Don't forget the eyebrows. Okay, start with just a light fill-in. You know, multitasker is great for darker eyebrows. Mix it with foundation for lighter brows, like I was telling you I did. You can also use the dark foundation colors for eyebrows. Savvy Minerals Mascara. I love this stuff. Okay, I've got 2 coats of it on. The other natural brand I was wearing, I had to put about 4 coats on to get the same effect. It feels great on my eyes. I have very sensitive eyes. My eyes get irritated very easily, and my eyes are feeling great. Made with all natural ingredients. It's not smudged or run. It makes your lashes appear longer, fuller, and darker. It's been clinically tested for ocular irritation, safe for sensitive eyes like mine. Diamond Dust Veil. This is a wonderful setting powder and highlighter. You can dust it all over your face or just down the nose and tops of the cheeks. It's not quite as shimmery as it appears. We now have a new matte color also. It just gives the skin an airbrushed appearance and vegan friendly. So don't forget the lips. The glosses are amazing. I have on this one right here on the far right, and I put that on over the lipstick. I love the lipstick. It feels great on my lips, and it's fun to wear, and it's nice to know that I'm not eating toxic chemicals that are poisoning me when I'm wearing lipstick and lip gloss. Young Living has some new colors. I particularly like this Untamed. It resonates with my personality. Okay, vegan friendly, long lasting, soothes and softens the lips. Here's a closer look at the colors so you can see what color would look best on you. Here is the presenter's Savvy Face with Warm One. So she is a very light complected. Smashing Blush, Wanderlust on the eyes, diffused and foiled. The Jet Setter eyeliner, Multitasker on the eyebrows, and lips have the Uptown Girl. Now, you can choose to believe that we're beautiful, which is one of the most attractive qualities we can possess. Savvy Minerals gives us the opportunity to let our outer beauty shine without compromising on the quality of ingredients. Now, I wanted to mention that with the Savvy Minerals, you can do a little or a lot based on what you like to wear. Now, you can do a 5-minute face, or you can do a 30-minute face, you know, if you were wanting to have a really glamorous appearance for a night out on the town. Young Living has made it easy to get started with the Savvy Minerals, which are non-toxic. They don't have any of the toxic fillers like bismuth and talc, and you can get them in kits. So we have 4 different colors of kits. I'm going to go into more detail about them. Here is Warm 2. You get the Warm 2 foundation, 3 different eyeshadows, and the blush. I do believe you're blushing, along with the Embrace lip gloss, the misting spray, and a brush. That's $150, and that gets you a wholesale membership. What if you're already a member? Then simply place an order for it through Quick Order. You can't get these kits, which are already discounted, on your Essential Rewards orders. Here is Cool 2 with 3 shades of eyeshadows and the Abundant lip gloss, the misting spray, and 5 milliliters of lavender. Here is Dark 1 with the blush Passionate, 3 colors of eyeshadow, the Maven lip gloss, the misting spray and brush. And Dark 4 with the Maven lip gloss and the Passionate blush and 3 different colors of eyeshadow. You can also purchase a basic starter kit, which comes with 1 oil, the Stress Away oil, and then purchase whatever of the Savvy Minerals makeup items that you want. That is to become a member. Again, if you're already a member, simply log into your virtual office and order what you choose. Here is our Young Living Dream Builders team. We provide support for your journey. We have the Dream Builders YL Resources Facebook group, and then we have free classes like this one on all sorts of topics like oils for emotions, oils for pets, oils for sleep, Bible oils, and guidance on more resources to learn and mentors to help you one step at a time. We have the Essential Rewards program, which is an optional monthly auto ship program. Your first 3 months, you get 10% points back on everything that you order. Months 4 to 24, you get 20%. That is a very generous return. And then it gets better. At 25 months or more, you get 25% back on pretty much a dollar for dollar basis. You also get discounted shipping. You can change out your products and choose what you want each month. Now, if you're not already a member, you can simply go to youngliving.com, click on Become a Member. You can add my sponsor enroller number, which is 251044, or add the sponsor and enroller number of the person who invited you to this presentation. Screen 2 lets you pick out your kit. Screen 3 adds your mailing info, and Screen 4 collects your payment info. Welcome to Young Living. We know you're going to love the oils, and it's easy to share about them because you want your family to have toxin-free living also. So as you share, you can get your oils for free and even earn more income. So if you're interested in knowing more, reach out to me or whoever brought you to this presentation and ask. Thank you very much for attending, and I appreciate you, and you're going to appreciate yourself as you are using the Savvy Minerals makeup, taking great care of your skin. Your skin will thank you, and it's going to help you age gracefully. So thank you, and see you next time.